Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. So today I'll be showing you, or I'm gonna let you guys know, where you can actually watch Kraven the Hunter movie. So if you want to watch the Kraven the Hunter movie, then you could follow the steps. So it's actually available on different platforms. So if you want to know the specific platform which it has, then you could always go ahead and check for the web browser. So open up a browser and type in where to watch Kraven the Hunter movie. Then you could actually see there are information such as you can buy Kraven the Hunter on Amazon Video, Apple TV, Fandango, at home, Microsoft as download or recent. Likewise, if you scroll down a bit, you could also find the Prime Video link directly. So if you have an account or a subscription, you just go ahead and press the link and you could start watching the show. So if you don't have it, so you could also go ahead and look for alternative option like Apple TV, and then you could go with the Fandango link, all that. So these are some of the platforms where you could actually watch Kraven the Hunter movie. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.